नए आइडियाज, नए सपने, इनोवेशन करने की ताकत और एक पर्पस। ये मिट्टी जो हमारी लेगेसी है, सिर्फ जमीन नहीं है, बल्कि हमारी नींव है, हमारी सच्चाई है और सपनों का बेस है। देश का असली दिल गांव में धड़कता है और मैंने अपने दिल की बात सुनी। यहीं से शुरू कर रहा हूं अपना अगला सफर, एक एग्री एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने का, जहां मेरी जड़ें हैं और अब इसी मिट्टी से मेरी ये कहानी लिखी जाएगी, लिखी जाएगी।
Wow, what a beautiful start. And my friend, my neighbor, a beautiful actor, Ishwak Singh, along with Shruti Sharma. How are you, brother? So good to see you. Actually, our pleasure meeting you. Please come. Yeah, what a beautiful trailer and what a beautiful start. बहुत कमाल की एक डांस परफॉर्मेंस के साथ जरिए बताना कि what is the DNA of the show. It's beautiful to see that. But Ishwak, Raghav's character has a beautiful journey, I mean, and a beautiful story. What do you have to say about that?
तो आपने कुछ तो आपको झलक मिली गई है. I'm actually getting a little emotional because I saw these rushes and it just whips up all those memories, you know. I mean, you go and do something and you know, have all these ideas about seeing the show in a certain way in your head, but when you actually go and do something as authentic as this out there, और मेरे अंदर हमेशा से एक खालीपन सा रहा है बिकॉज मैं शहर में पला बड़ा हूँ. When I speak to friends, you know, आपका भी connection है, you know, to your hometown. I really wish, you know, I had that rural connect, which I don't. You know, I'm not in touch with my rural roots. So through this show, somewhere that happened. This show is about agricultural entrepreneurship, agri-entrepreneurship, or agripreneurship, as you call it. And you know, you hear about all these MBAs, people who've lived in the West, leaving their corporate jobs, high-paying salaries, and trying to go back to farming. So for me, when you know I was given this theme, I was amazed that what is it that gets someone to take that leap of faith? Such a big thing, you know. I mean, it was relatable because I mean, I left my home and came all the way to Bombay to pursue my dream. But to really, I mean, this is a seriously tough road to hoe. And hats off to all those people who take the plunge. So it's a very special show. It's very close to our heart. I mean, I would want Shruti to also say something. I mean, if there's anything, you know, you have, it's a, you know, and I'll tell you what, you know, the thing that really got me committed to the show was the team. And
Yeah.
we've spoken about this.
Yes.
You know, what really gets you committed to do something is the people and the producer, the director, the writer. They're some of the most wonderful people I've worked with. And we got together and we were just so thrilled about doing this.
क्या बात है, fantastic. I'm sure this is going to be a beautiful journey and we all will have a different perspective towards life after watching this. शायद हमारी हिंदुस्तान की authentic rooted stories जो होंगी उससे हम ज़्यादा प्रेरित होंगे. Ladies and gentlemen, the cast and the creators of Mitti, producers Akash Chawla and Arunav Sen Gupta, writer Nikhil Sachin and director Alok Dwivedi and Amog from our team. One more time, if I can bother you, Amog, to please come on the stage for a picture. Hi, how are you? Hello, sir. Good to see you, brother. Mubarak ho, bahut mubarak ho. Congratulations. Let's have a quick picture with a beautiful team of Mitti. People say it takes a village to make a show. They had to literally go to one to make a show. I'm sure this is going to be really, really beautiful. Thank you so much, everyone. And give a huge round of applause for the entire team of Mitti, ladies and gentlemen. आई एम 100% श्योर कि आपको ये शो देखने के बाद बहुत मजा आने वाला है, एंड यू विल हैव अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव टुवर्ड्स लाइफ. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.